Will a stairlift fit my stairs? That's a question we're often asked. Stairlift technology has advanced a lot. It's now easier than ever to have a lift installed on what may seem even the most awkward staircase. So let us explain more. Can stairlifts go around corners on curved staircases? Yes, they can. We have lifts to suit all kinds of stairs, from the simple straight staircase to complex curved stairs with bends, multi-flight townhouses and even spiral stairs. Curved stairlifts can run up the banister or wall side of your stairs, whatever suits the configuration and still makes it safe for other stair users. Do stairlifts need to be fitted to a load-bearing wall? Not at all. Despite popular belief, there are no stairlifts on the market that require an installation of the rail on the wall. All lifts are fitted to your steps, meaning there is no need to be concerned about load-bearing walls or causing damage to any interior decor. The rail brackets are screwed through the carpet and into the steps. So if you're thinking of changing your stair carpet, do this before the lift is installed. Are there stairlifts available for narrow staircases? Yes, we can normally install a lift to a staircase that is a minimum of 600 millimeters wide. For narrow stairs, we have the option of a backwards or forwards facing seat. This allows for extra legroom, ensuring the user can clear the banister safely. Can a stairlift be fitted to open plan stairs? Yes, we can fit lifts to open plan stairs or stairs with open treads. The rail is attached to the steps in a way that doesn't protrude through the tread. Has another company told you that a stairlift cannot fit? Because we're an independent dealer, we carry a variety of makes and models that other companies may not have. By offering lifts from multiple manufacturers, we can find the best option to suit the dimensions of your stairs and the needs of each individual user. Can a stairlift be fitted even though I have an obstruction at the top or bottom of my stairs? We do a range of lifts that will fit your stairs and your home environment. If you do have any obstructions, like a radiator or doorway for example, we can choose the best model to suit your stairs or by organising one of our contractors to make suitable alterations. Finally, we wanted to share with you our top tips for having a lift installed. Firstly, book a home visit from one of our surveyors. This is a free of charge, no obligation quotation. We will measure you as well as your stairs in order to suggest the best model for you and your home. The survey will take approximately 1 hour. We recommend having a friend or relative to help you. Secondly, do your research. See which companies you would like to receive a quote from. Ask neighbours, friends and family if they have had any previous experience with a stairlift installation and who they would recommend. Through your local social services, you can also contact an occupational therapist or independent living centres who will carry a list of reputable suppliers. We hope this video has helped you realise that a stairlift can fit almost any home. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us on 08000 19 22 10 for more information and to book a home assessment.